7. Standard descriptive characteristics of motions. Many of the most important rules governing the use of the individual motions described in this chapter are reduced to 8 standard descriptive characteristics. In addition to containing basic rules of procedure for each motion, these characteristics serve as points of comparison showing how the motion resembles or differs from a main motion. The standard descriptive characteristics of motion are the following. 1. Over what motions, if any, it takes precedence, that is, what motions can be pending without causing this motion to be out of order. Also, to what motions it yields, that is, what motions can be made and considered while this motion is pending. The main motion, ranking lowest, takes precedence over no other motion and yields to all subsidiary motions, all privileged motions, and all applicable incidental motions. 2. To what motion or to what type of situation is it applicable. Also, what motions, particularly subsidiary motions, are applicable to it, if any. The main motion is applicable to no other motion, and all subsidiary motions and certain incidental motions under various circumstances are applicable to it. 3. Whether it is in order when another has the floor, the main motion is not. 4. Whether it requires a second, a main motion does. Whenever it is stated in this book that a certain motion must be seconded or requires a second, the precise meaning is as explained in 4.9 through 14, and the requirement does not apply when the motion is made by a direction of a board or committee. 5. Whether it is debatable, that is, whether debate on its merits is permitted while it is immediately pending, a main motion is. 6. Whether it is amendable, a main motion is. 7. What vote is required for its adoption, a main motion requires a majority vote, except as noted in 10.8.7. 8. Whether it can be reconsidered, that is, whether a motion to reconsider Chapter 37 can be applied to the vote taken on it, a main motion can be reconsidered. The standard descriptive characteristics of the main motion are more fully stated in Chapter 10, and those of the other parliamentary motions are given in Chapters 11 through 37. In addition, key facts with regards to standard descriptive characteristics 1 and 2 are shown in Chart 1, pages T3 through T5, and with regard to standard descriptive characteristics 3 through 8 are shown in Chart 2, pages T6 through T33. Additional background for the detailed treatment of the motions in Chapters 10 through 37 is provided by the discussion topics meeting and session in Chapters 8 and 9.